Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So far we covered theme 3 up to theme 3. This is theme 4 up to theme 3 geometry algebra is covered. Now we are going to start geometry. Fundamental concepts of geometry is a very important topic for the next classes. So it's a very useful concepts. Everybody needs to learn perfectly all these concepts and definitions. Okay. Geometry start with point. First definition start with point. Okay. What is a point? It is just a mark of position. A point is a mark of position. It has no length, no breadth, nothing. Mark of position. So usually a small dot, for example, if I put like this, it is a dot, it is a point A. Suppose this dot, point B, this dot, point C, this dot, point P. Usually we denote the points with capital letters, right? Dot, point means it has no measurement. It is just a dot. Point is a mark of position. Okay. Line. Line means straight line. Straight line, or simply we say that line. No problem. Okay. The definition of straight line is a line has only length. A line has only length. Okay. It has neither width nor thickness. It has neither width nor thickness. Neither width nor thickness. Okay. So usually straight line means simply we say that, I'll tell you, see, it has no end points. It extends both the sides indefinitely. For example, we say that A and B. This is called straight line AB, or simply we say that line AB, like this. Representation is like that. So usually we denote straight lines with small letters like LMN, PQR, like that. Straight line means it is extending both the sides indefinitely. No end for both the sides. It goes on like that and it comes like this. Both the sides it extends indefinitely. That is called straight line. It has no end points, right? Next comes ray. Ray. You might have heard this word. Ray. It is a straight line. A straight line that starts from a given fixed point. That a straight line that starts from a fixed point. Start from a fixed point. And moves in the same direction. And moves in the same direction. Straight line means both the sides it extends indefinitely. but ray means start with one point and extends in one direction. So it is ending point, it cannot move. This is endlessly it travels. That is called ray AB. You can write it as ray AB. Okay? If there is arrow, it moves indefinitely. It has no end. So if I keep dot here, that is end point. It cannot come this side. That is the ending position, right? So this point is called initial point. Initial point. Initial point. Starting point. But there is no end point, right? So straight line means it has no end point. Ray means it has only one end point, right? Ray has, I'll tell you one point here. Ray has only one end point. Ray has only one end point. Straight line has no end points. That point you must remember, right? I'll write here just with another color. I'll write straight line has no end points. Straight line has no end points. Straight line has no end points, right? Next comes line segment, fourth one. Line segment. These are the basic concepts you must listen carefully and learn perfectly. Okay, a line segment is a line segment is a part of a straight line. Part of a straight line. Part of a straight line. Straight line means, what did I tell you? It has no end points. But line segment means it has exactly two end points. That is AB. Line segment AB. You read it as line segment AB. How many end points it has? It cannot extend both the sides because both sides we have dots. If there is ray, arrow mark, it can move further. But if there is a dot mark, it cannot move further. So line segment has two end points, right? It's a very, very important. Line segment has two end points. Line segment has two end points. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. Okay, once again let me explain. Point means it is just a position, mark of position, dot, simply a dot. It is represented by capital letters like capital A, capital B, capital C, like that. Straight line means a line has only length, it has neither width nor thickness. Or simply, straight line extends both the sides indefinitely. There is no end point for a straight line, both the sides. Ray means a straight line that starts from a fixed point and moves in the same direction, right? A ray has only one end point, other no end. Line segment means a line segment is a part of straight line. It is a piece of a straight line. Suppose if you remove this AB part and keep here, that is, line segment is a part of straight line and ends with 2 points. So line segment has two end points, right? So concepts is very, very important. Basic concepts. Try to learn these concepts perfectly. Okay. Next comes surface. What is surface? For example, this marker board has got one surface. A surface has length and width. Length and width, but no thickness. But no thickness. Okay. For example, a page of your notebook, the outside of a box, a blackboard, etc. represent surfaces. A surface may be flat or curved. A surface may be flat or curved. May be flat or curved. A surface has length and width but no thickness. A surface may be flat or curved. This is called one surface, blackboard. Plane. Next comes plane. Plane means a flat surface. Plane is a flat surface. Flat surface, right? A plane has length and width but no thickness, like surface only it is, right? Like plane means we can take like this. This is a plane extending all the sides indefinitely. You can take like this. One plane. On the plane some points we can take P, Q, R. Okay. So that is called a plane. Next comes parallel lines. Parallel lines. Very, very important. Listen carefully. Parallel lines. Two straight lines are said to be parallel. Two straight lines are said to be. Straight lines are said to be parallel. Two straight lines are said to be parallel. Two straight lines are said to be parallel to each other. Two straight lines are said to be parallel to each other if they lie in the same plane. If they lie in the same plane. If they lie in the same plane and do not meet. And do not meet. And do not meet. Two straight lines are said to be parallel to each other if they lie in the same plane and do not meet. For example, you look at here. For example, these two lines, they will never meet. For example, L and M. They lie in the same plane like this. They lie in the same plane and they will never meet at one point. That is called parallel lines. They will never meet. Okay? Line L is parallel to, you can write like this. L is parallel to M. This symbol is called parallel. E is parallel. L is parallel to M. Right? L is parallel to M. They will never meet at any point. If you extend all the sides, both the sides, they will never meet. They are called parallel lines. And by the way, angle between the parallel lines is 0. You remember this. There is no angle between. Angle means they should meet. Since they never meet, angle between parallel lines is 0 degrees. Okay? Clear? Next comes. We will continue some more concepts in the next class. Thank you.